The best you can is amazing, you guys. Everyone, just do the best you can. Take away all that other pressure, and life will be good.
Want to speak confidently like Priyanka? How fluent she is in speaking English. Have you heard her? So you also can speak English in the same way by seeing this vocabulary. So let's learn from Priyanka.
Lead sometimes.
Yes, that's what every girl wants, is to be with a man competent enough that you will trust them.
Competent. Competent refers to capable or skillful. Now, capable or skillful, so the use of it can be Priyanka is competent in acting. Priyanka is competent in acting.
Women are really good at figuring out and navigating through problems, but
What did she say? Navigating. Navigating means direct carefully and safely. Direct carefully and safely. किसी चीज से safely, carefully, planning करके निकाल के ले जाना is navigating. So use it is she navigated her way from the forest. She navigated her way from the forest.
like Nick has this innate wisdom that I trust and that I've always trusted.
Innate. Innate means natural or inborn. पहले से पैदा होते ही a quality which a person has got naturally. So Nick has innate wisdom that I trust. Nick has innate wisdom that I trust. She also said that, isn't it? So मतलब निक के पास उनके हस्बैंड निक जॉनस के पास पहले से ही काफी अकल है जिस पे वो विश्वास करती है. ठीक है.
That was a very momentous moment for me where I realized that, life is short and we worry about so many trivial things when there's so many big things for us to worry about.
Trivial is the word she used. Trivial means of little importance. बहुत कम जिसकी importance हो. मामूली जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं मामूली. ठीक है. That is trivial. So the use of it can be life offers many trivial situations which one needs to avoid. Life बहुत सारी एक मामूली situations लाती है हमारी जिंदगी में ना जिन पे हमको ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए. So life offers many trivial situations which one needs to avoid.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close.
Next word she uses detachment. See, did you see how brilliantly she speaks? How fluent she is? How good is her pronunciation? You can also enhance your pronunciation by speaking regularly. There are three things which are extremely important for speaking good in English. First is read more. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़िए. Read more in English. Try to speak every day in English. Okay, and try to write also. And speaking is the most important thing, Amandeep, because if you speak, then only you can learn to speak fluently. Unless you speak on a continuous basis, every day you don't speak, you will never be a fluent speaker of English. Detachment. She used the word detach. Detach means getting away from someone or something. किसी चीज से अलग हो जाना, दूर हो जाना, getting away, distance हो जाना. ठीक है, that is called detachment. So use can be the child was detached of his motherly care on her death. The child was detached of his motherly care on her death.
Give this credit to my mother. She ingrained that in my brain since I was a very, very young girl. She said every girl needs to be financially independent.
Ingrained. Ingrained refers to thoroughly work in. ठीक है, बसा देना दिमाग में, जैसे बसा देना. Thoroughly work. इतनी मेहनत करना है किसी को कोई चीज याद आ जाए. So just like a teacher मेहनत करती है. तो इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या हो सकता है, कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं इसको? The lessons were ingrained in the students' minds. The lessons were ingrained in the students' minds. बच्चों के दिमाग में lessons भर दिए गए, इतने अच्छे से पढ़ाया गया. Okay, and the last word is.
If someone's calling you useless, does that make you useless? It doesn't. Let the naysayers say whatever they do. Be true to your God. be true to your family, be true to your fans, be true to your loved ones, and do the best you can.
Naysayer. Naysayer means someone with an aggressively negative attitude, जिसके अंदर भरी पड़ी हो नकारात्मकता, हर चीज में negative find करता है. In a positive situation also, a person is never able to become optimistic or positive. We always comes negative. So as she said, let the naysayers say. उसने क्या कहा प्रियंका ने? Let the naysayers say. तो जो negative लोग हैं उनको पूछने दो. I will do what I want. Let the naysayers say, I will do what I want. Is the use. Means let them speak whatever they want to. But I am going to do it my way. समझे? तो इस तरीके से we can make use of the latest vocabulary and can learn speaking like Priyanka. So आप इन actors को सुनिए और देखिए how they speak English brilliantly, and you also can speak as brilliantly as they are speaking by following them. Keep following Firma. Bye.